Happy Halloween, everyone! We've been busy cleaning muddy vehicles so they're ready to go trick-or-treating. In you go, Molly. Wow! That's a lot of mud, hey, Mix?
Gecko! There's mud everywhere! And Sly must have a wash before we go trick-or-treating. Look! His costume is filthy.
No problem, Mr. Weasel. We'll soon have Sly looking spotless.
A monster made of mud? That's just silly!
Nuts and bolts! The car wash filter is blocked with all that mud! It's gonna blow! Look out!
Mud everywhere.
I'll need to repair the filter tank before we can clean Sly, Mr. Weasel. Mr. Weasel? Thanks for helping, Sly. We make a good team. Now it's time to reassemble these pieces of the tank. The tool I need is a welding torch. Gecko's garage, time to fix! The heat from my welding torch will seal the metal pieces of the tank together and make it strong. Through you go, Sly, for Bubbles Wash and Dry.
This is so much fun! Rex, hello! Yes, it's me! I am the mud monster! Oh, or I was.
Sly is squeaky clean now, Mr. Weasel. I know how much you dislike mud.
No! I love mud! Oh, there's not enough mud. Why? Oh!
Ah, he's getting into character. Bravo, Mr. Weasel. Or should I say, Mr. Wereweasel? Happy Halloween, everyone.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Vehicle Olympics! There are so many exciting events like Loop Jump, Go Tilly! And gymnastics! And now the 100-meter race is about to begin!
With this new turbo booster, we can't lose, Sly. That golden medal is as good as mine. I mean ours.
On your marks, set,
wobbling whiskers, come back, Sly! You're going the wrong way! Uh-oh.
well, Mr. Weasel, you won!
And you don't even have any wheels.
Sly's out of control, Gecko, I need help!
Pardon?
I cheated, Gecko. I'm sorry. I just really wanted to win a medal, so I attached a turbo booster to Sly, but now he's out of control. Please.
I need to get close to Sly to turn off that booster. But how? Aha! We'll save Sly with help from Eric, the discus throwing digger! Make me fly to Sly, please, Eric!
Oh, careful, Gecko.
Bullseye, Gecko!
I've need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Left for looser and no more booster.
Oh, Sly, you're okay. Thank you, Gecko.
I hope this has been a lesson for you, Mr. Weasel.
I promise I'll never cheat again. Probably.
And a gold medal to Eric for the longest throw.
They're so shiny.
I would like to present a gold medal to Gecko for saving Sly.
That must have hurt.
Can you save me, please, Gecko?
Ah, sure, Mr. Weasel. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. We're upgrading Helena's rotomotor, so she'll have more power to lift heavier things.
You'll be stronger than ever, Helena. Hola, chicos. I love your costumes.
You and Helena are heroes to Baby Truck and the Mechanicals. And that's the last bolt. Job complete. What's wrong, Mex?
Baby Truck is in trouble. You go, Gecko, and I will launch Helena.
On it, Cat. Go, Tilly Tow Truck. Hang in there, Baby Truck. We've got you. Nuts and bolts. Tilly's tow line isn't long enough to reach, baby. We need Helena's grabbing arm.
Ready to rescue, Gecko.
Spinning screwdrivers! Helena's grabbing arm is too small to grab onto Baby Truck.
Aye, that is a big problema, Gecko. How will we lift Baby Truck now?
Brilliant, Red! If we attach our electromagnet to Helena's grabbing arm, it can reach and stick to Baby Truck's metal roof.
Perfecto. And with Helena's new rotor motor, she's strong enough to lift Baby Truck to safety.
You got it, Cat! The tool I need is a wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix! We'll remove the magnet from Tilly's winch, then secure it to Helena's grabber arm. Righty-tighty, and done! Go, Cat!
Vámonos, Helena.
Hold on, Baby Truck! Phew, you're safe. It's important to follow your dreams, Baby Truck, but I'm afraid trucks can't fly.
Maybe just for today, Baby Truck can be a helicopter. Como así?
Ah, Cat and Helena are my heroes too. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. The mechs are getting ready to go back to school today, and Bobby the bus is on his way here to pick them up. Is this your calculator, Green? Make sure you have everything you need, everyone. Bobby will be here soon. What do you need a rubber duck for? Oh, your bus is here. Hi, Bobby. Where are you going, Blue? It's time to go to school. Blue! Where did you go? Is he in here? Nope. Where could he be? What about here? Blue? There you are! Whatever's the matter, buddy? Oh, Blue, are you worried about going back to school? Oh, Bobby doesn't look like the bus on your tablet. Now I understand. It can be scary when things don't turn out as you expected, right? How can we help Blue feel better and get to school, Mex? Great idea, Green! We could paint Bobby to look like the bus in Blue's picture! What do you say, Bobby? Ah, thanks, pal! Let's get to work. The tool I need is a paint sprayer! Gecko's garage, time to fix! Pour the paint into the sprayer, and we're ready to go! Keep still. Sorry if it tickles, Bobby. Now for the rainbow. Ready, Blue? Ready when you are. Bobby the school bus! You look brilliant, Bobby! But where's our brilliant Blue? Ready to go back to school, Blue? Ah. Well, almost ready anyway. Have a great day, Max! And you have a great day too. Goodbye, everyone. Oh, hello, everyone. We've given Miles a super service and all-terrain tyres.
My darling Miles deserves the best. We've been friends for so long. I'd be lost without him.
Well, Grandma, I have a special gadget that means you'll never be lost, with or without Miles. It's called a GPS.
A BP what now?
This device uses satellites to show you and others your location and guides you wherever you want to go.
Fascinating. Yeah. Tell me more when I get back. Miles and I are going for a little spin.
Bye then.
Nothing like the open road, eh, Miles? What do you say? We test these tyres off-road. Yahoo! Perfect end to a perfect ride. Come on, old pal. It's home time. Oh, we're out of fuel. Oh, not to worry. Gecko will help us out. Oh, but he doesn't know where we are. Oh, yes, Miles. The doodah whatchamacallit will help him find us. Woo! Attach it to your handlebars, you say? Gotcha! Then the tool I need is a screwdriver. Gecko's garage, time to fix! Tighten these screws, and it's secure. Now, to turn it on... Ta-da!
Where's Grandma? It's almost dark. Miles and Grandma have activated the GPS. They might be in trouble. Come on, Red. Let's follow their signal.
I'll build us a nice cosy shelter while we wait for Gecko to find us. Oh! Look, Miles. Aliens. Oh, no, it's Gecko.
Grandma! Miles! What happened? Are you okay?
Rookie mistake. We ran out of fuel.
At least the GPS worked, though. Perhaps you could use it to guide us home. I saved the garage on there for you. Just press this button.
Oh, yes! How clever! It says that way to the garage.
But the garage is that way.
Not according to your fancy gizmo.
Grandma, you fitted the GPS upside down.
Oh, you cheeky boy.
Goodbye, everyone.